Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay friends, we studied about positive numbers, we studied about negative numbers, we studied the use of signs along with them. Now, we will study what are variables and constant. We have read sometimes 4a minus 5b. So what are this? And we use them in our exams. We get sums through this. So let's see what happens is. Actually, if I tell you, if one boy buys X chocolates of rupees 10 for rupees 100. So how many chocolates do you have got? You all will tell me yes, 10 chocolates. Because per chocolate is of 10 rupees and total price he gave was 100. So he bought 10 chocolates. So X refers to that 10. So we have that variable and constant. That was that 10x will be 100 because 10 rupees was per chocolate. X chocolates he had bought and 100 rupees he had paid. So 10 tens are 100. So this X is 10. So in this terms, this are called as constant because their value doesn't change. And X, that is this variable, it varies according to the situation. It varies according to whatever the situation is given and therefore it is called as variable. Therefore it is called as variable. 10x means 10 multiplied by x. Whenever you are using multiplication term, it is called as one term. 4a is one term, minus 5b will be one term, 6xy will be one term, minus 9n square will be one term, minus 4 by 5 zy will be one term. And this are constant. The numbers are constant because number values will not change. But these terms, the ABCD terms will be changed according to the situation, whatever situation. And we go through the sums in linear equations, in quadratic equation, in simultaneous equation, which we will study step by step further. So we will understand today the basics of variable and constant and the terms related to it. The first type is monomials. Now what are monomials? They are single term. Like I had shown you, minus 4a. Multiplication sign is there. Only multiplication sign. That is allowed. This is one complete term. So this is monomial. If you say 25n square. This is monomial. Why? It is 25 multiplied by m multiplied by m. So this is monomial. Then you have 64 a, b, c. This is also monomial. 64 multiplied by a multiplied by b multiplied by c. These are monomials. Next term is binomial. Here you have two terms in a line. Okay. Suppose then you have 64x square plus 86y square. Here, this is one term, this is one single term, this is one single term and both are attached with the sign plus. Whenever you get plus or minus sign, that time the terms are counted. Here this is one term, this is two terms, the name is binomial. So it is because it has two terms. You can have 25 m square minus 94 x square. This is also binomial. This is one term. This is a second term. And this is a minus sign which has separated them. Therefore, this is called as binomial. Okay friends. Now here, trinomial means three terms. Now, okay. Minus 3a plus 4b minus 5c. This is one single term, this is one single term and this is one single. Hi, yeah, be careful. Here we are having different variables. So this is one term, second term, three term joined by two different signs or two same signs it can be, that doesn't matter. But since they are with three terms, it is called as trinomial. You can take any other examples like 67 x square minus 58n square plus 75n square. Three terms. What's first term, second term and third term. So this is trinomial. Now, when you have terms more than three, then it is polynomial. Actually, polynomials include all this binomial, trinomials. But whenever you have more terms than three, you specifically call this polynomials with four terms. Now suppose if I take minus 3a plus 4b minus 5c plus 6d. So this contains four terms. First, second, third, fourth. So these are polynomials. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. These are polynomials. I hope today you all have understood what is monomial. Multiplication sign is considered for one term itself. So we have monomial, then we have binomials. Two terms are joined with some plus or minus sign. Trinomial, three terms are joined with plus or minus sign. And lastly, polynomials where four terms are used and they are joined by the signs plus and minus. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe friends, and do not forget to hit the notification bell.